Zhengzhou Lyine Agriculture Technology Company Limited is a professional supplier of hydroponic solutions in vertical farming, includes smart agriculture, urban farm, container farming, vertical tower, indoor farming, vertical cultivation system, hydroponic plant factory, fodder solution. Lyine team has been engaged in research, design, development, production, sale, installation, training service of hydroponic systems, already 20 years in the field. Our products are suitable for commercial production running and home gardening. Up to now, Lyine Company is becoming international leading company in vegetable planting system, fodder solutions, indoor farming, container farms, smart farming project. We are located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, China, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control, and thoughtful customer service. Lyine products are hot sell at domestic, and also widely exported to many countries and regions, especially top-selling Europe, Middle East, America, Asia, Africa, Oceania, such as Spain, UK, Norway, France, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Israel, America, Suriname, Singapore, Senegal, Australia. We supply OEM and ODM orders. We can offer complete service from A to Z. Customized service can be designed and produced exactly according to requirements from customer. Whether you arrive with a fully realized plan or a budding idea, we are equipped to deliver exceptional results. Present us with your blueprint, and we will provide a product that exceeds expectations. Share your vision, and we will craft a custom solution to bring it to life. Bring us your trust, and we will deliver excellence beyond measure.